Today, let us look at the right way to slice and cut bottle gourd. For this, we take one bottle gourd and take out the stalk part. Now, this is where most of us falter. We tend to scrape the skin from top to bottom, while we should actually hold it in the bottom up position and then scrape it, and you will see that it easily scrapes through. The skin comes out very easily. This position will also ensure that not much of the vegetable is lost in the cutting and scraping part. Now the bottle gourd is ready to be cut. Let's make 3 halves out of this bottle gourd. I'm going to share with you 2 cuts. One is the slice cut and the second is the square cut. In the slice cut, as you can see, I'm making a square incision on top and cutting it into fine slices. Now the slice cut is ready. We're looking at the cube cut now. This is generally used for making dal. Similar fashion, I'm able to cut it in larger cubes. Size of the cubes can actually vary depending on the requirement. The first is the slice cut and the second is the cube cut.